Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for KCET. To begin, thoroughly understand the entire syllabus, noting all topics and subtopics. Next, analyze past question papers from the last 5 to 7 years to identify recurring themes and question patterns. Finally, create a realistic and consistent study timetable, allocating specific time slots for each subject and topic daily. This foundational step is crucial for effective and organized preparation. Once you have a plan, concentrate on mastering core concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, understand their derivations and applications. Dedicate significant time to solving numerical problems, as physics is highly application-based. Aim to solve between 50 and 75 problems for each chapter to build confidence and speed. Consistent practice is key to converting theoretical knowledge into practical problem-solving skills. Revision is paramount for retaining information. Create short notes and flashcards for quick review of formulas and important points. Crucially, integrate full-length mock tests into your weekly schedule. These simulations help you manage time effectively and familiarize yourself with the exam environment. After each test, meticulously analyze your performance to pinpoint areas needing more attention and refine your strategy. Effective time management is vital throughout your preparation. Allocate specific time blocks for physics, chemistry, and mathematics, ensuring balanced study. Prioritize topics that consistently carry higher weightage in the exam, dedicating more study time to them. Remember to take short breaks, stay hydrated, and maintain a positive outlook. A calm and confident approach will significantly enhance your performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.